Firefighters continue to battle a fire in and around Binn Moor in Marsden. Multiple crews have been using all-terrain and 4x4 vehicles and specialist equipment to battle the fire. The incident started on May 30th, but firefighters were back on the 3rd of June, as they dampened down hotspots near to Butterley Reservoir. Intense heat in recent days have made difficult working conditions for crews at the scene. The National Trust requested the assistance of a helicopter to assist with firefighting.